Children, myself Rajesh Dikruz. Welcome to the e-learning classes provided by St. Michael's Academy. Children, today I am giving you homework. It is homework of Standard 7 Social Science. And whatever lessons I have taught you, these homeworks are given on that only. So let's have the homework. First question, draw an outline map of India and show the cities or towns where the following are located. First, Qutub Minar. Second, Konark Temple. C. Buland Darwaja, and D. Golconda Fort. So you have to locate the cities where these monuments are located. You have to locate those cities. अर्थात ये जहाँ पर है वहाँ पर इस सिटी का नाम लिख देना है और वहाँ पे इस मोन्यूमेंट्स का नीचे नाम लिख देना है कि ये चीज़ यहाँ पाया जाता है. ओके. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, what changes were marked during the medieval period? Write some features of the medieval period. What changes? There were certain changes were marked in the political changes, social changes, cultural changes. Then one more is there. So you have to write these changes, what medieval changes were marked, and also there are certain features of the medieval period. There are 6 and 7 points are there that you have to write the features. Third, make a medieval painting depicting the processions of Rajput king. So talking about processions, you have to make a picture of the Rajput king processions. You have to make the picture, and you write that this is the picture of Rajput kings. Fourth, write a note on Turco-Afghan invaders. Mahmud Ghazni beat Muhammad Ghori. They are the invaders of Afghanistan. They had come to India, they invaded India, they looted. Muhammad Ghazni took the wealth of India to the Ghazni, but Muhammad Ghori, he ruled in India for some time. So you have to write a note on that. 5. Make a diagram of ecosystems. Ecosystem is very common, you know that. So you make a diagram of ecosystems and write 2 or 3 lines on that. 6. What are the 4 realms of our earth? Which one is the most important and why? The 4 realms, you know, atmosphere, hydrosphere, then mesosphere, biosphere. So you have to write the 4 realms of the earth and which one is most important and why, that you have to write. 7. What does democracy mean? Give the definition of Abraham Lincoln. So you have to define democracy. Define democracy. What does the democracy mean? That you have to explain. And Abraham Lincoln has given one very definite definition of the democracy. That definition you have to write. 8. What are the 3 types of rocks? Name. How are they formed? Write with examples. So there are 3 types of rocks: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, metamorphic rocks. So you have to write those 3 types of rocks and you have to explain how they are formed with example. 9th question. Differentiate between absolute monarchy and constitutional monarchy. So there are 2 types of monarchy. One is absolute monarchy and second one is constitutional monarchy. You know the constitutions, so you should be very clear about the absolute monarchy and the constitutional monarchy that you have to write. 10 questions. Do the exercise of history, civic, geography. Lesson 1 each in your SW copy. So the exercise I have completed and the answers also I have given, that you have to rewrite in the SW copy. Okay, so do the homework. Come keep it ready for the corrections. When the school reopens, give it for the corrections. Thank you. Bye.